Okay, it's about 12:34 in the afternoon, and they've been preparing the skies for a thunderstorm all day. I left the ambient sounds in so you could hear everything as it takes place, the wind and the rain. This is the sound of the air conditioning compressor starting. It's about 3 hours later now, and you can see the cumulonimbus clouds beginning to form just prior to the rainstorm beginning. You can hear the thunder in the background and see the first drops of rain beginning to fall. It's been raining about 10 minutes now, and you can see the accumulation of water already. It's 2 hours later, the storm is over, but the sky is still overcast.